G'day everyone, Benny Smith here from Earth Moving Technology Solutions. I just wanted to run you guys through a quick video on how to install the Ogden reverse radar systems. It's the IWS system that is indicator only, so it's quite an easy install, and I just wanted to run you through quickly on how to do so. So what we'll need from the customer or guys who decide to bolt these on themselves is you're going to need some consumables, which are a packet of zip ties. You need some flat bar for mounting the radar unit head to the back of the machine. Obviously every machine is different, so a bit of flat bar that's going to need to be drilled out to suit the shroud that comes in the kit, and you can sort of mount it as how you wish to with that. What else you will need is probably just some crimping tools for power and ground, and that's pretty much it from our end for what you guys will need out on site when doing these installs yourselves. So I'll run you through the components that you get in the kit quickly. It will come with obviously the reverse radar head, so that's the multi-beam radar, Deutsch connector at one end, which you can mount to the back of the machine. Then the radar head goes inside the shroud, which is totally adjustable, as you can see on the side there, to suit whatever angle you need to run it at. So that's where the radar will go, on the back of the machine or front of the machine, depending on what you're doing. You have a pre-delivered cable with a 4-pin Deutsch that plugs into the radar head. Pretty simple, only go in and out one way. This cable gets run up to inside the cab. General rule of thumb is when you're running this cable from the back of the machine to inside the cab, try and follow any electronic lines in behind the panel work of the machine. Try to stay away from hydraulic and heat, obviously, but it's all covered in split tube, ready to go. If there's any additional requirements that you guys need from us prior to sending these out, please do let us know. Then you see inside the cab, you have your display. Your display gets taken, you can take the back off, and then once you get to inside the cab, you have the 4 cables that you've just run from the back of the machine to the front. There's a pin out and a diagram in your install manual of where to go into the back of the display, and then also that's going into the display, then out of the display you'll have a power cable, which is power and ground. Obviously you go ignition and chassis or ground somewhere inside the cab, wherever you can do it. So there is a diagram for that as well in your manual. This will also come with a mounting bracket that you can mount to the back, to the side, however you wish to mount it. So you probably will need maybe another bolt or something to mount it to inside the cab specific to the machine. And then also what you will get from us is you will get an instruction manual, which you can either ask me or ask one of the team members to send it to you digitally, but I will send you a copy inside the kit as well. So that's pretty much it for the Ogden reverse radar system. That's what comes in your kit. Like I say, you will need some consumables, and as we speak, all the kits on our shelves to date are all pre-configured. They're all got their zones already set. So at the moment, they're all pre-configured to be at the furthest distance from the center of the radar head, 16 meters in distance, and approximately 8 meters left to right of the side of the machine from the center of the machine or from the radar head. So again, if you need us to adjust those parameters, please let us know and we can adjust them for you before we send them out to you. So again, this is just a quick install video on how things get run. It's quite simple, very effective, and totally customizable. So if you need anything else, please reach out from the team from Earth Moving Technology Solutions, and we'll be happy to assist. Thanks again for your time. Cheers.